So in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen capture to deliver a lesson that you might typically deliver live within the classroom. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the YouTube video and I'm going to play it from YouTube, and I'm going to talk and explain as the video is playing, as though I would live in class. And I'm not going to do the whole 8 minutes. I'm just going to do a minute to show you how I would do this, and then I would embed this in the document. And to do that, I'm going to use Quicktime for this. So then I'll come over here under the File menu and choose New Screen Recording. And right beside the Record button here, if you click on that pull-down menu, you can choose your internal microphone. In this case, I'm using a USB headset for a more robust voice. And you can also click on this, Show Mouse Clicks in Recording, which is kind of neat because it highlights when you click on a menu option or a particular part of the screen, it highlights your click. Now once you're ready to record, you click this button and you have the option of full screen. So if I just click the screen, it'll record the full screen, or you can drag and record part of the screen. So for instance, I could click here, drag, and just start recording the area of the YouTube screen, and then hit start record, and after I could stop the recording session up here. Or again, I could just click record and just click anywhere on the screen to do a full record. And here we go. Okay, so as a genre, Pasternak is perhaps best described as a dark comedy. It's the first of 6 short films that comprise the film anthology Wild Things from 2014. Now in the opening credits, sound is used to guide our cognition. Immediately we're conjuring up our scheme of an airport as we first hear plane engines, the sounds of an airport, and the footsteps of someone walking. Now I can stop the QuickTime recording. We've got the stop recording button up here in the bar. And let's see how this plays back. Start, click the full screen, and I can start my analysis. Okay, so as a genre, Pasternak is perhaps, and there we go, that this is okay. Now when you're ready to export your video, your screen capture, you simply go to File, Export As, and you can set the, you can put it in HD, because you could post this on YouTube later and drop the link that you get from YouTube into your Google Slides. So the next step would be to export this, and I'll hit save. Now one last quick thing I want to mention is that QuickTime does have a very basic video editor. So let's say I started my analysis right about here, and I decided this first minute and 13 I wanted to cut that out. I could go to Edit, Split Clip, and there you can see in this yellowed area it split the clip at that point. And let's say at the end you wanted to split it. So let's go back here. I go Done, and I go to the end, and let's say right about here I wanted to split the clip as well. You could use a shortcut, Command Y, and now you have the clip split in 3 places. And then you can delete the first split, and you could go to the second split, you could delete that, and now you have just the one piece in the middle. And then you hit Done, and when you export your video, it'll be exported with the new edits and the shortened clips. Now once it's exported, I'd want to upload it to YouTube, so I go to Upload Video while signed into my Gmail account. So now I'll just go select the file. Here it is, Pasternak, choose. And as it uploads, you can give it a title, give it a description for your audience. And you'll notice over here you also have the link. So I could copy that link by clicking on this little button over here. And then hit next. I could make this public, that's fine, and then publish. It's going to take a little while, it's only 44% uploaded, but then you can go back to your presentation on Pasternak, and if you like, you can leave the original video there, you can shrink it down, but you can also post your lesson in here. So if we go to Insert Video by URL, and then I click Select, pop that in here. Now, given that I have my classroom lesson where I'm actually describing the video, I'm going to insert that as the main video right now. And this one over here, maybe I'll just shrink it in size because this is the video on its own. Maybe I'll put it up here in the corner or something like that. Here, move political down here so the word doesn't overlap the video. And for this original video, I could probably just insert a little text box down here. Just slide it up there. Okay. So now we have my tutorial, the original video over here, and the file that the students can fill in. And so I've screen captured and given my lesson through an e-learning tutorial.